Hello dear students, let's start or proceed structure of atom with the topic that is photoelectric effect under the particle nature of electromagnetic radiation. As name indicated, photo means sunlight, photolight, solar light that indicate light, and electric means electron that is based on electron. The effect which are interlinked with sunlight or light with that of electron, the effect is known as photoelectric effect, and it indicate what? The failure of electromagnetic wave theory. This effect tells about the failure of electromagnetic wave theory, and it is the particle nature of radiations. When according to this effect, when radiation with certain minimum frequency, that is nu naught, strike the surface of a metal, the electrons are ejected from the metal surface, that is known as photoelectron, and this phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. In simple word we can say कि एक सोडियम मेटल है, सोडियम मेटल वेरी रिएक्टिव मेटल having a particular minimum frequency, that is known as mu naught. On this metal, their striking of the radiations having frequency nu. After striking this radiation on the metal surface, the electron of metals comes out or ejected out. This ejected electron is known as photoelectron, and this phenomena in which electrons are removed by the striking of radiations having a suitable frequency called as photoelectric effect. That is depend on the two factor. First one is the incident radiation having suitable frequency, and second one is the metal with their surface. And the observations are, the electrons are ejected from the metal surface as soon as beam of light strike the surface. That is, there is no time lag between striking of light and ejection of electron. In simple form, as light strike the surface, there is ejection of electron. जैसे ही इंसिडेंट लाइट सरफेस पर स्ट्राइक करती है, वैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन मेटल की सरफेस से निकल जाता है. मीन देयर इज नो टाइम लैग बिटवीन स्ट्राइकिंग ऑफ लाइट बीम एंड इजेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सेकेंड ऑब्जर्वेशन, नंबर ऑफ इजेक्टेड इलेक्ट्रॉन इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट. इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट मीन्स ब्राइटनेस ऑफ लाइट. तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन निकलेंगे, कितने ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन निकलेंगे, ये डिपेंड करेगा लाइट की इंटेंसिटी पर. मोर द लाइट इंटेंसिटी, मोर द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इजेक्टेड. थर्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन, फॉर ईच मेटल देयर इज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी न्यू नॉट कॉल्ड एज थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी, बिलो विच नो फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड. हर एक मेटल के लिए एक मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है जिसे थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी कहते हैं. अगर थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी से कम फ्रीक्वेंसी किसी रेडिएशंस की है तो कोई फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. सो एट ए फ्रीक्वेंसी न्यू ग्रेटर देन न्यू नॉट, द इजेक्टेड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कम्स आउट विथ सर्टेन काइनेटिक एनर्जी. What mean kinetic energy? The energy due to motion, the energy due to movement of electron is known as kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is directly proportional to the frequency of light. More the frequency of light, more will be the kinetic energy of electron. Mean more the speed of the ejected electron. And the explanation of this photoelectric effect is as under. First is the, when light of suitable frequency falls on a metal surface, the ejected electrons from the surface having incident light minimum frequency nu naught, This threshold energy is called as work function. मीन जो थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी से जो एनर्जी आती है उसे कहते हैं थ्रेशोल्ड एनर्जी, और वर्क फंक्शन भी कहते हैं, जिसको डिनोट किया जाता है W नॉट से. तो E नॉट इज व्हाट? थ्रेशोल्ड एनर्जी. व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड थ्रेशोल्ड एनर्जी? बिकॉज दिस एनर्जी हैव थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी. E is equal to h mu. In previous lecture we discussed about कि energy directly proportional to frequency and E is equal to h into mu, where h is Planck constant and mu is the frequency. So E naught is known as threshold energy, h is Planck constant and mu naught is known as threshold frequency, threshold energy, and it is work function. Second, if the frequency of incident light nu is more than mu naught यानी threshold frequency, excess energy is used by electron in the form of kinetic energy known as half mv square. Me is known as mass of electron and v is the velocity or speed of electron. Third important point, when frequency greater than threshold frequency, then on increasing the intensity, the number of quanta incident increases, the number of photoelectron ejected. Mean more the intensity of radiations, more will be the number of photoelectron ejected. Fourth point, when frequency is greater than threshold frequency, then on further increasing the frequency, the energy of each photon increases and kinetic energy of ejected electron also increases. Means we can say the frequency of incident radiation is directly proportional to the kinetic energy of the electron. More the frequency of incident radiation, more will be kinetic energy of ejected electron. So kinetic energy linearly increases with increasing frequency. From this expression, there is a graph between kinetic energy of ejected electron and the frequency of light on metals. Here it is denoted as the threshold frequency, minimum frequency. Why it is not taken as this point 0? Because every radiation or metal have minimum frequency known as threshold frequency. The kinetic energy is directly proportional to threshold frequency. What is the significance of work function? Denoted by W naught. It denotes the minimum energy required to eject the electron. So from this table taken from NCERT book, there are different metals having their different work potential value in electron volt, like lithium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, copper, argon, with their work potential value. So photoelectric effect is inversely proportional to the work potential value. Inversely proportional to work potential value means more the work potential, lower will be photoelectric effect. So from this table, the very less value of work potential are in case of potassium K 2.2 value. So photoelectric effect would be occur fast in case of potassium, and largest value occur in case of copper having 4.8 work potential value. So photoelectric effect will be least in case of copper. So it depends on the work potential value whether photoelectric effect is fast or slow. So in this case photoelectric effect would be higher for potassium and lower for copper. Mathematically, E is equal to E naught plus kinetic energy, that is known as Einstein equation. H mu, that is energy of the incident radiation, is equal to H mu naught, the threshold energy, plus half mv square. So this is the energy of incident radiations is equal to threshold energy plus rest kinetic energy. The difference in energy, that is energy of radiations minus threshold energy, is known as kinetic energy of photoelectron. means ejected electron, or we can say h mu minus h mu naught. So this expression is very important for numerical value. H, where h is Planck constant, mu is the frequency of incident radiation, h is Planck constant, mu naught is the frequency of threshold frequency of radiations or metals, plus half mv square. Importance, what is the importance of this photoelectric effect is that a more intense beam of light consists of large number of photon. What mean photon? As discussed later, already discussed in previous lecture, photon is the packets of energy in case of light. So a more intense beam of light consists of large number of photon. Consequently, the number of ejected electron is also increases. And last one is the study of photoelectric effect. With this setup, light of particular frequency strike on the metal surface. See the diagram. This is the metal in a closed vacuum chamber connected to a source having negative terminal and this positive terminal, and this connector is known as detector, connect to ammeter and link to a source, that is battery energy source or electric source. So when a light of a suitable frequency falls on the metal surface, then the ejection of electron from the metal surface give rise to photoelectron. This photoelectron strike at the detector, and which detect what about the measurement of kinetic energy.